Hello, John. Here I am at the upcoming events page, and here's what I would do to fix this. I see you've got the pictures, and it's kind of a hassle to get these to line up with the text and stuff, and you have it all in one text box, which is one way to do it. But then you need to make these pictures wrap or the text wrap around the pictures. And sometimes that can be a little tricky. So what I like to do, what I've been doing, uh, is I just make a separate module. I just do a photo module separate from the text. And what we can do here is I'm going to go to rows here and put in 2 columns. Okay. And then I'm going to add a photo module here, and I'll find that photo with the crosses. It's nice to have alt text in here as well. Once that's set for that image, it'll stay there on the image whenever you use it. And we don't need it that big. Maybe, let's see, how big is that one? That might be medium. Then the web page will load faster if you use a smaller copy of the image. So for this, we only need that size, I think. This is a bigger one. I think this is the size you want, the medium. I'll hit save there. So now we've got the photo there, but then we need the text. And I think we want all of this part here. So what I'm going to do is just copy that text. I think we want this and that. So I'm just going to do Control C to copy that. And then I'm going to put a text module over here, text editor. And then I was in the text tab here, so paste it in that way. Okay, and now we still got space here, but what we can do is move these things around a little bit and make them work a little bit better. So it's easier to manage this way when you just have these things separated out. And then what I would do is make another row, and so I can it's kind of easier to use this rows thing to get these columns in here, so I'll put one more row below here, and then we'll put a photo on the left again like this. And let's see, which one is that one there. Okay, with the purple, and that is butterfly on the waitress. Okay, select photo, and again we'll use the medium size. Okay, so we have that there, and then we want the text here. So I'm just going to grab this text again, which is starting here. You can find that now. Starting with the Easter. Let's see, where is that? Right here. And right. Okay, all of this. I'm going to copy that. And then we'll add a text module to this. And I'm going to paste all this in here. I've got a bunch of formatting on it and stuff, so I left that in there. Oh, we do have one more picture there too, I see. Let's just move this over a little. Line that up a little bit better. And then that picture, where is that supposed to go? Oh, that's supposed to go with that one probably. So maybe I'll take that one out for now, out of this part. Okay, and then maybe we'll do another 2-column row right below this. Drag that over right here. And then we'll put that picture, which is that vertical one. Okay. Put let's see, where are we here? Right here, okay. Photo module, right there. Select the photo. Which one is it? Scaled. Let's see. Well, I'll just try that one. What is this? I don't know what kind of flower that is, but I'll just say flower. We just want to describe what the image is in the alt text there. We'll use, that might have to be the one there. These photos are different shapes, different dimensions, so I guess they're not going to line up perfectly, but okay. And then I guess you would just want that bottom part there, so I want to copy that. And that starts with iron, the resurrection, okay. And let's see, to figure out, oh, that, yeah, okay. Let's just take the text and not worry about the formatting for the moment. And let's put that over here with another text editor module. Okay. And we can always format that as you need. And then I would just delete this whole thing, this whole part here in the bottom. Now, let's just say done for now and publish and see what this looks like. So when we narrow it down, the photo is going to be on the top of the text. Whereas down here when we did that, it's, whoops, oh, I lost my spot. Let me see if I'm even recording this in the right spot. Okay, there we go. Yeah. So the old way, it just looks a little different when you do that. The text does wrap around on these, but which is kind of nice, but it's a little trickier to get that to work right. If you do want it that way, we can do it that way, but I've just found it a little easier to work with if you just have it like 2 columns and then you have it like that. And actually, one other thing we might do is just left justify the alignment on this photo so that when you go, so it's just when you narrow it down on like on a phone, it'll go to the left instead of being in the middle. And because on a narrower picture it looks a little weird that way, but it's kind of personal preference too. So, and then done and publish. So now it's left aligned instead, the photos are. And then the text is under the photo. And this is the stuff down here we would remove. So I'll just go ahead and do that. I'll get rid of the whole bottom part here, because I've got everything copied above. So if we did want to go back to that other way, we still can do that. But yeah, so this is lining up. This starts here and here. So, I mean, it doesn't look quite as neat if you don't have the pictures dimensions matching each other, but we can make this a little bit more clear by adding a line in here. So if we're going to Beaver Builder again, I can say add like a separator to get in between here. Say save there, and then I added this little line here, see, and that might be okay to have it that way. Might be a little bit more clear, more organized. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, so there, that's one way to fix that. So and then I did add the upcoming word to the upcoming events there too. So let me know if you need any more help with that, John. Thanks.